Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Tamae's World, and today we're doing tie-dye. So, today I'm going to be using two techniques of tie-dyes. I'm going to be doing the heart one and the original spiral one. So for this, you will need two hands to get 100% cotton shirt, so it takes the dye better. And I will be using Tulip dye kit. So this includes 5 squeeze bottles and some packets of dye. Be sure to get yourself 100% cotton t-shirt. Why? Because it soaks up the dye better, and when you're finished doing it, your colors will jump out at you. You will also need gloves, rubber bands, dye. So this kit that I'm using, this Tulip one-step kit that I'm using, already comes with the bottles and the dye inside of it. So all I just need to do is fill it up to the point. The shirt in front of me is damp. Be sure to pre-wash yours so the dye can soak into it properly. So I have two techniques, and the first technique I will be using is the heart technique. First, you need to fold your shirt in half. Fold it in half so you can draw half hearts on one side. So now I'm going to be grabbing it together like this. Then go like this. Get your rubber bands and put them on it. So you will need 5 rubber bands. I just need 2 more or just 1 more because it seems like I'm going to end up doing 4. First, I will be using red, green, purple, and blue. Now I'm finished with it. So now I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag. So here's my Ziploc bag. So now so I got my Ziploc bag and put it in So now I'm going to store it for 6 to 8 hours. For technique number 2, I will be doing a spiral tie-dye shirt. So for technique number 2, you need your damp shirt and a fork to help you spin it around. It's called a spiral technique. Let's start. So swirl it around like this. Put your hand right here. Then take it out. Get your rubber bands and put it on. So this is a little hard, but it's still fun. So I'm finished putting the rubber bands on. Now I'm going to color it. I'll be using red, green, blue, orange, and purple. So I need to get my blouse on. Let's get the other one on. Now that my shirt has all the rubber bands on it, let's jump in with our colors. First, I'm using orange. Then purple right here. Green. Blue. And red. Now I'm going to flip it over and do after waiting 8 long hours. This is my end product of the heart technique. Isn't it nice? Here's my spiral technique. This is the end product of my spiral technique. I'm so excited. I'm going to wear it to class today. So, I hope you guys got your tie-dye on. Bye!